This was fun. I learned a ton from this project doing the infill between steel and learning the mechanisms of the tape dispenser. Who would have thought it was such a complicated thing, right? I started the design with this piece kind of coming out this way, and you sort of think you can make your own rules when you're the designer, but the bottom line is if you're going to make something like this, you have to have fall away after the cutting blade. I thought you could just pull out against it and it would work right, and I couldn't get the tape to tear. So I wound up having to grind this back, no big deal. The other is you have to have a place for the tape to stick before it hits the blade. So I had to add this little crossbar here that you saw me add, and that put a little force so that it sticks here, and then that allows it to kind of tear off. But this is kind of cool. I think it's going to definitely reflect my personality, and it's going to come in very, very handy with all the shipping that I do. But I would challenge everybody else out there to build one of these for your duct tape or your packing tape or whatever else you need. We'll see you next time.
Feel free to click or tap on the images to check out some of my past builds. If you like my videos, click on the Greg's Garage logo and all my future videos will show up in your YouTube feed.